The United States announced Monday that it will lift COVID travel bans on all air passengers in November if they are fully vaccinated and undergo testing and contact tracing. This would lift ban for passengers from UK, India, Brazil, and Europe. Jeffrey Zients, coronavirus response coordinator for President Joe Biden, told reporters the new consistent approach would take effect early November. The easing of travel restrictions imposed by Donald Trump 18 months ago as the COVID-19 pandemic first erupted marks a significant shift by Biden and answers a major demand for European allies at a time of strained diplomatic relations. Numerous safeguards will remain in place to suppress spread of the virus, which has already killed more than 675,000 Americans and is resurgent after what many had hoped was a lasting dip earlier this year. Most importantly, foreign nationals flying to the US will be required to be fully vaccinated, Zients said. It was not immediately clear if the new rule only applied to US-approved vaccines or if other brands such as those produced in China or Russia would also qualify. Zients said that would be determined by the US Centers for Disease Control. Restrictions on vehicle movement from Canada and Mexico will remain in place. Zients said that passengers will need to show they were fully vaccinated before boarding planes bound for the United States, as well as providing proof of a negative COVID-19 test taken within 3 days. Americans not fully vaccinated will still be able to enter, but only on testing negative within a day of travel. Masks will be obligatory on US-bound flights, and airlines will provide the US health authorities with contact tracing information. This new international travel system follows the signs to keep Americans' international air travel safe, Zients said. The change means many families and friends can be reunited, sometimes after nearly 2 years apart, and British and German officials quickly welcomed the lifting of the near-total ban. The announcement was also hailed by airlines, which have taken a huge hit during the pandemic shutdown. While it had been widely expected that Biden would reopen borders to the European Union and Britain, the announcement covers the globe. Currently, only US citizens, residents, and foreigners with special visas are allowed to enter the United States from most European countries. Biden's move comes on the eve of his speech to the annual UN General Assembly in New York, where the pandemic is due to be the headline issue. It also comes as Washington and Paris spar bitterly over Australia's sudden announcement that it will acquire US-built nuclear submarines as part of a new defense alliance, ditching a previous French contract for conventionally powered submarines. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.